Good morning, ma'am. This time I will going to report the possible questions of 5 W's in 1H. So let's start in what? These questions refers to the witness. So first question is, what is the face of the suspect? So it is important to know what is the face of the suspect or what is the appearance of the suspect in order for us to conclude kung kinsa na siyang tawhana. So question is, what color, height, and age do you believe the suspect was? So, like what I said, it is important to know kung saan appearance or possible idea nga makakuha ta nga kung kinsa na siyang tawhana or kinsa na siyang suspeka. Third one is, what are you doing in that time? So, it is important kung sa mong gibuhat ana nga time kay maybe there's a person nga kabalo or gabantay or giplanuhan ang pag-commit sa crime. So importante kana siya nga question. So let's proceed to when. First question is, when was the robbery happen? So it is important to know when was the robbery happen. First is it is the one of the steps in order to have perfect and good in making report or making a investigation. Importante ka na siya kay part na siya sa pagama o investigation para makakonclude ta kung kinsa ang suspect. Second is, when the suspect saw you, what did the suspect do to you? So it is important kung saan gibuhat or what did the suspect do to you when he saw you. Kay maybe yang pasikitan or unsa pa na. Third is, when you saw the suspect, is the suspect alone? So it is important to know kung ang pag-commit ng crime kung isa ra ba ka tawo o duha ra ba. So let's proceed to where. Where did it happen? So it is important to know in making a report. It is important to know kung asa nadapitan ni tabo ng crime para ato ang report matawag nga reliable o accurate. Second question is, where were your family at that time? So it is important to know kung asa mo pamilya na ang time. Because maybe, like what I said, maybe there is a person involved in that crime nga kailanin nyo and siya may utak o siya may gahatag information para makakuha opportunity ang mga robbery. Third question, in where? Where were you before the robbery happened? So it is important to know kung asa ka dapita before nitabo ang ang crime. Because maybe nagabantay nimo o naniid nimo na usay mong daily life para makakuha sila og chance or opportunity nga makarab sa inyong balay. Next is who. The first question in who is the person do you think that can do such crime to your family? So if there is a person nga maybe or makita nimo nga suspicious or makita nimo na may makabuhat siya na sa iyong pamilya, muna importante kini siyang question na because makakonclude ta o makakuha tag idea or possible idea na maybe kana siyang tawana ang nibuhat sa nibuhatan ng crime. So let's proceed to second question. Who do you think involved in this robbery? So like what I said earlier, maybe there is a person involved, a person that gahatag og mga idea gahatag og idea sa mga suspect kung sa inyo ang daily life para makakuha sila og perfect timing nga makarab sa iyong balay. Third is, who do you think is this person? So if there is a person nga feeling nimo na makabuhat anang crime mo importante ka na siya kay possibilities man na. If you are asking more possibilities, the more you can conclude or you can get an idea. So let's proceed to why. Why? So these questions refer to the suspect na. So why? Why did you rob the family? So it is important to know what is the reason nga nung nabuhat niya itong crime. Second is, why did you not hurt the witness? So these questions refer to the answers of the witness. Because maybe he did not hurt the witness because ang iyang tumong na jud is kwarta ra gyud. Mo ra gyud na. Third is, why did you apologize to the witness? So it is important to ask in this kind of question because para may bawa na to, maybe nabuhat niya tong crime because wala na siya kwarta, and maybe he or she felt na marabitog nagpasaylo siya nga nabuhat niya tong crime. So let's proceed to how many times did this happen? So this also refer to the suspect. So how many times did this happen? So it is important to know kung kapila na nagibuhat para matawag na to ang suspect nga basin bangko pa or anad na bubuhat og ginana na crime. Second is, how many are you when you rob the place? So it is important to know kung pila mo kabok suspect committing in that particular crime because it is part of conducting investigation or interrogation. Third, in the last one, how much do you got in those things? So it is important kung pila mong nakuha or na-income at itong mga things nga imong gipangkuha because it is part of the investigation or making a report to have a good and sufficient and reliable report. And that would be all, ma'am. Thank you.